Let's see how to determining the limits of integration. Now this is the topic double integration where limits are not given. To evaluate double integration over region R, f of x comma y dx dy over the region R given by x equal to 0, y equal to 0, x plus y is equals to a. Now there are two different methods. So the first method is integrating first with respect to y and then with respect to x. Now before to take this, we have to draw the region where x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and this is x plus y is equals to a. So see the region. We'll take x equal to 0, y is equal to 0 means x axis and y axis, and now this is the line x plus y is equals to a, where we can put x equal to 0, we'll get y is equals to a. If we put y equal to 0, x is equals to a. So join the points 0 comma a and a comma 0. So this is the line. So here we'll get a triangle. Now for finding the limits of integration, innermost integration is with respect to y, so we'll take strip parallel to y axis, and for finding the limits of y, we'll take a starting point of the strip which is x axis means y is equal to 0, and ending point of the strip which is on the line x plus y is equals to a, that means y is equals to a minus x. So here it is the limit of y 0 to a minus x. Now the outer integration is with respect to x. Limits for x, will move the strip from point towards the point to cover a whole region. That's why if we move the strip from point, that is a y axis, that means x is equals to 0, towards the point x is equals to a. So the limits are x is equal to 0 to x is equals to a. Second method is integrating first with respect to x and then with respect to y. So here integration first with respect to x, taking strip parallel to x axis. If we take strip parallel to x axis, and then for the innermost integration with respect to x, limits for x, that is the starting point of the strip which is on y axis, that means x is equal to 0 to the line x is equals to a minus y. Therefore the limits of x are 0 to a minus y. And if we move the strip from point towards the point to cover a whole region, that's why if you move from point, that is y is equal to 0 to y is equals to a. So the limits of x and y are, so innermost integral with respect to x, limits of x, and outer one with respect to y, limits of y. So this is the double integration.